Hey guys, if you want to see how I got this Coachella inspired look, then please continue watching. But if I don't say the name of the products I used, I will leave them in the description box. So let's get started. So I already, done this eye. I ain't finished with it yet though. But I went ahead and used the Chocolate Gold Too Faced palette. I'm using actually like 2 other palettes. I'm using like 3 different palettes for this look. And I used Rolling in the Dough already, and I have it on my eyelid. And now I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette, if I can find my brush. Yeah. And I'm just going to mix some colors together, honestly. And we're kind of, it's like a halo, I think, looking. I have a mirror right here, so yeah. I'm just gonna do that. I suck at doing eyeshadow. I really do. Like, I can't blend to save my life, but I mean, I try. I don't know if that's, you can really tell, but there is pigment get on there. I'm just mixing some shades together. I'm mixing Sprinkles, Cotton Candy, and Totally Fetch. Mixing it all together. And ignore these stupid light dot things, whatever they are. My wings is not even, but oh. I'll let that set for a little while. I'm just finishing up contouring. Let's go for this white one. So now I'm just going to do my lipstick and everything and set my face, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the complete look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.